And more news as far as the One Nation, One Poll is concerned. The NDRIs are now backing it. TDP and Sena back the One Nation, One Poll. TDP issues the whip for Lok Sabha MPs to vote for the One Nation, One Poll bill. Hope NDA is going to hold a larger consultation, says the TDP. Sena says one poll commitment of the Modi government and we are backing it, is what is now being said. One Nation, One Poll. That's the bill we're talking about. BJP's allies are backing it and saying that hope there is going to be a larger discussion and larger consultation on it. But in principle, we are with the BJP on the One Nation, One Poll, says the TDP and the Shiv Sena. Essentially indicating that the numbers as far as the central government is concerned, it looks in fact satisfactory in both houses of parliament. Listening to TDP's Lok Sabha leader about One Nation, One Poll.
The bill on One Nation, One Election will be tabled today in the Lok Sabha. I am joined by TDP's party leader in Lok Sabha, Lavu Krishnadev. Sir, first of all, the whip has been issued by TDP for its MPs?
Yeah, we asked all our MPs to be present in the House during this introduction of the bill because this is a very monumentous bill and a very important bill for the nation. So we expect everyone to be in the House.
You are part of the NDA. The BJP is pushing for the One Nation, One Election. There's a whole campaign behind it. But what is the TDP's stand going to be in the Lok Sabha?
For TDP, and most importantly, coming from Andhra Pradesh, we are not new to One Nation, One Election. From 2004 onwards, all our assembly elections and state and parliament elections are going in tandem. So people of Andhra are not new to this. So we very much support this because we have seen what are the benefits when both the elections happen at the same time, so that you have 5 years of your tenure and you can focus on the development of the state. But whereas we have that opportunity, on the other side, whenever there is an election that happens, recently there was an election that happened in Maharashtra, Jharkhand. It's in 6 months of being in the government, 6 months of being in the government, we have to face like 3 elections. Indirectly, not directly, but indirectly, wherein our officers, secretary level, collector level, they have to be deputed in those states. So whole machinery, bureaucratic machinery gets disturbed continuously. Within 6 months, it got disturbed by almost 3 times. Imagine in the 5 years' time, if this disturbance keeps happening, and when there's no flow of whatever decisions that we make and delivery of those of the new decisions that we make, that will hamper our governance as well.
Okay.
So it keeps on happening every election, every 6 months there's election. So that's happening in the governance. So we wholeheartedly welcome this.
Okay, but what you're calling hindrance in governance, the opposition parties are calling it the spirit of federalism, which will be attacked through this One Nation, One Election.
As I'm mentioning earlier, we are the best example, prime example is Andhra Pradesh, wherein both the elections are happening simultaneously. So for us, the federalism per se, because of the simultaneous elections, have not been hampered. Okay. So that's our experience. But the other ways by which federalism in Andhra Pradesh has been taken advantage in 2013, you have seen during the bifurcation of the state, but that has nothing to do with the...
TDP issuing a whip asking its MPs to be a part of, in fact, the discussions when and if they happen. Also issuing a whip